Contemplating love, shit, what the fuck you complaining for? Feeling daddy love, used to trip on that shit I was kicking to you. Had some fun on the run, though I give it to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, tryna fix any issues with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? Fucking white horse and cabbage. Never think you can handle you.
Good morning everyone and welcome to another weekend vlog. So yeah, today we are going to be having a cozy indoors vlog because it's pretty gloomy outside. So I'm gonna start by making some food and yeah, let's get into it. Well, since someone was not happy being left alone in the room, hey mom. Hey mama. Okay, so before I was rudely interrupted, I actually didn't have plans for today. The only plan that I had was to go to this bookshop because I wanted to look for a nice book that I can sell. Though I haven't finished like the 3 books that I bought. So Leah. We're not just having it today. What's wrong? You can see? Hey mama. Say hi to the camera. Say hi people. I'm just being a nuisance. Hey people.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating, 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 Come on, dance with me.
blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. turn, you walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak, understanding that my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you always on my mind. Yeah. You come around like it's baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by. So I gotta be right when I see you, when I see
The cheesecake.
Well, I'm a slices. The eel.
And the chocolate donut. Yeah, so I was craving some donuts, something sweet, and we went to this nice cake shop. It's actually like a bakery. It's actually very tight up. And yeah, we got some stuff. Now we're going to Shopgat, get some wine, and then we can go and wine back home.
another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a G for the bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make.
So we're back from wherever. There's some snacks. This is not what really I want to show you. I wanted to show you my dessert. You all know I love cheesecake. Like I'll die for cheesecake. So I got two types of cheesecakes. They're different, and I'm not sure what those are called, to be honest. And a donut. This tastes nice. Can't wait to try this out. We'll do the tasting together. But the cheesecake, this one, a 10 out of 10. I like it. Let me first eat them. I'm gonna try this. So basically, we're watching TV all day and we just want to make some salsa and ganko. Pretty excited.
I have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my head up with any outfit, but you'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Because what's the point of crying? It was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? But boy's a liar. But boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar. But boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. I'm good enough. 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 I'm good enough.
He say that I'm good enough. Call my girl, think about shit that I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. And it been what it been. Calling his phone like he'll send me a pin. Ducking my shit cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
But boy's a liar. But boy's a fire. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. But boy's a liar. But boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, 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 good
You be like, baby, yes, I know you care.
Fucking Robitussin.
You be like, baby, yes, I know you care.
Hey everyone, it's a beautiful Sunday, and yeah, it's actually like afternoon in the evening now, and we're going out for dinner with Mr. Man. And yeah, I'm just dressing up. I've been putting this foundation on, the Fenty Beauty. I love this. This is one thing that I swear by. And yeah, almost done. Then we can head out. As for the outfit, I'll show you the outfit once I'm done. So yeah, let's get ready.
Sabi girl know that you like me. Animals they in human form. Body man nobody like walk, but you must hustle if you want to. If no finish they won't fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No come they form say you do like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad and the beat and the get the time for you dance like Coco. Get the time for you dance like make you dance, dance, make you dance, make you dance, dance like Coco, like Coco, like Coco, like Coco, like dance like Coco. You no get the time for the hate, bad and the beat, bad and the beat, and the bad and the beat, bad and the beat, and the bad and the beat, make you dance like Coco. Standing on my grind, no yeah, what they want, and they make you dance like fantasy. You want they take like fight that game, but it is
Funk killer.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true.
Blink from the thing them call a broken heart. This blessed love will never part. They don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I don't say it. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Thing on the road made me say, I
I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just said dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that the man is just a man. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
I know you know we're at the bar. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love.
What a man gotta do, what a man gotta do. Girl, but I never have a promise and I'm bling bling for all a girl. But I just love it when me fling fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night, they give you love to keep you warm. Girl, you never get this kind of loving from your bar. I know you want your cat, and me just can't perform.
Love you, baby.
I know you get the little loving of me God.
Don't know how to love me.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fasting. I don't care how much you knew me in the past.
I was built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's coming in.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas.
Mama told me she never split.
Run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me.